Alright, I want to say I'm sorry about the background noise today, guys. I do have an Abus 7140 or Brandy LOTO lock today. Go ahead and show you that it does work. There's the keyway, or the bitting. Not too bad. So I'm going to use a windshield wiper insert and just put it in the top of this wording right here. And I'm going to start at the back. There we go. Just going to go back to the back and try to find some counter rotation. There we go. Now I'm not gonna gut this today. If you want me to pick it and gut it again in a later video, let me know in the comments below. If you like the videos I make, I ask that you please donate. There'll be a link in the description below. I hate to even ask that, but money could really help right now so that I can get some new locks and put some towards my business as well, to be able to get some new keys and things like that. Anything would be greatly appreciated. Thank you very much. Have a good day.